Hey, welcome back to my channel. Heidi here from Chillin' with H, and in this video, I'm sharing with you a really quick, healthy, and tasty recipe. So if you have the ingredients listed in the description box below, let's get started. I have some washed and soaked dried black beans and some lentils that were sprouting in the fridge, so I added those in. You don't have to, I actually omitted that from the list of the ingredients. This recipe is really easy. Rinse the beans and add it to a food processor. Add the seasonings and blend until fine. Pour the mixture into a mixing bowl and add the chopped mushrooms, flax meal, and salt, and give it a good mix. Press the mixture in your hand to see if it comes together like this. I'm dividing it into balls to get an average of the number of patties. They were a bit small, so I combined two balls and pressed them to form a huge, nice patty. Shallow fry on medium to low heat. You can try baking them, but you will have to freeze them for about 20 minutes and then bake. Or you can try using an air fryer. That was a little time consuming for me because I wanted to eat them right away, so I fried them. I'm using 2 spoons to help flip the patty so it doesn't fall apart. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Remember to monitor the heat. You don't want the outside to burn and the inside raw. We are using raw beans after all. Drain on paper towel and serve, or you can wrap in wax paper or cling wrap and put in a Ziploc bag and freeze for future use. It's as easy as that. This tasted great by itself, but if you want, you can put it on a bun with the traditional salad, or you may use it in lettuce wraps. Hey, if you enjoyed this recipe and you enjoyed the video, I'd really appreciate you giving me a thumbs up. Please share the video, and if you're new, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.